The German automotive industry is facing mounting challenges including high costs, intensified competition, and reduced demand, especially in the lucrative Chinese market where local brands are preferred by consumers. In the German economy, a sense of crisis is spreading as consumer purchasing power diminishes due to rising inflation and thinning order books. Structural issues compound the challenges for the German car manufacturers as the transition to electric mobility and autonomous driving leads to increased costs and uncertainty about funding sources. Despite increased revenues and higher profits in the first half of 2023, the outlook for the rest of the year is disappointing investors and shareholders due to factors like inflation, rising interest rates, and reduced demand. Orders for battery-powered vehicles in Germany are declining, with demand dropping to about 60% of previous year's volumes. In stark contrast, China's automotive market is rapidly growing, with the country becoming a leader in both new registrations and production of electric vehicles. Chinese manufacturers are making significant technological advancements, challenging industry leader Tesla and gaining traction among consumers across income brackets. Notably, VW, aiming to capitalize on China's automotive growth, has partnered with Chinese startup Xpeng to introduce electric models to the Chinese market by 2026. The pressure on the German automotive industry extends to luxury brands like Porsche, Audi, Mercedes-Benz, and BMW, as Chinese consumers increasingly favor domestic vehicles. For decades, German carmakers dominated China's market with a trickle-down strategy, but this approach is losing appeal as Chinese consumers prioritize advanced technology and digital features. Chinese-produced vehicles are gaining popularity, offering advanced assistance and infotainment systems that resonate with consumers navigating crowded roads. The shift in consumer preferences threatens the dominant role that German automakers have played in China's car sector for the past 2 decades. Chinese-produced battery electric vehicles have surpassed foreign brands in market share, with German brands no longer ranking in the top 10 sellers. Management consultants predict Chinese brands will outsell foreign brands in the Chinese auto market by 2030, emphasizing a changing landscape. In Europe, car sales are projected to remain below pre-pandemic levels, while European manufacturers face increased competition from Chinese electric vehicle manufacturers. China's rise as an automotive superpower is evident, with the country becoming an export champion and gaining prominence as a sales market and production location. Remember to subscribe.